Hello and welcome to Ross & Park Motors. Another new arrival here today. This time it's a CITROEN C4 Grand Picasso. So this is a 7-seater. This is a 2016 on a 65 plate. It is ULEZ compliant. It is £20 a year road tax. Very good service history with it, and it does show it's had a cambo in its recent history. Cambo and water pump. 123,000 miles. It's clean, tidy, it drives well. Will come with the service. Will come with the new MOT. 3 months of parts and labour warranty, and with your MOT we always aim for no advisories for you as well, make sure it's all good. Just been machine polished, so all looking nice and shiny. Inside we've got all the seats washed. So this is a 7-seater. We have all the seats up on it at the minute. There's more pictures on the website that will show you the different seating configurations. Split screen dashboard on these with a speedo and bits and bobs at the top, and then you have a touch screen there which you would use for your heater and for your radio, and it will have Bluetooth as well. It's a nice clean car. They are very spacious, good value for money, really good on fuel, and they say just £20 a year to road tax. More pictures on the website. It's rossandparkmotors.co.uk, or you can give us a call 07 868 722 133.